In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Zoom camera. So what you want to do is once you're inside your Zoom meeting, I'm going to create a new meeting right now just to show you this, okay? Let me connect with audio, mute myself, there we go. And now once you're inside here, all you want to do is simply press this start video down here, and it's going to turn on your camera. Now my camera is turned off, of course, therefore you cannot see me, but yeah, it will turn on your camera and it's going to work for you. Now in case this doesn't work for you and the camera isn't working, what you want to do is simply click this arrow up next to the camera and then select the camera. Now if you have multiple cameras connected to your computer, you can just simply switch from integrated camera to the different camera by clicking on it, and this will give you the option to use your other camera. Now an alternative version of doing this, if you hover over it, as you can see, is also by pressing Alt plus V. So if I press Alt plus V, as you can see, my camera has been turned on, and if I do it again, my camera has been turned off. And that's pretty much it.